Hey everybody, welcome back. So working on the F100 today. Just working on the front core support and one of the front inner fenders. So I'll show you what I'm doing. All right, so I got this core support as part of the package that I got with all the parts, with the cab and the bed and all that stuff. It's not the best core support, as you can see. It's rotted out down here at the bottom, but the rest of it is good. And the top mainly is all good. It's not bent, crushed, or rotted at the top. This has a little bit down here at the bottom. I already started wire wheeling this side. I'll do this side and then I'll treat it with the phosphoric acid, and then I'll probably cut this out and weld some new metal in, or Bondo it up, one of the two. Probably Bondo it up because I'm just trying to make quick work of this. And then here is the inner fender, and not bad, no rust or rot on this one. These things come with like this textured black paint, I think, from the factory. So I don't know how I'm gonna do that with I'll probably just Scotch-Brite that and paint over it. Just wash it real good and Scotch-Brite it real good, and then paint it with some black paint, and it should be good, because I think that's how the factory did it. I'm not sure. And then of course it has the hood hinge on here too, so I got to clean that up, and the spring and all that. And it has a battery tray on it. The battery tray's got a little rot in the bottom there, but no big deal. Battery's gonna sit right on top of it, so we won't even see that. And there's a little boo-boo here in the front of the fender, but that gets bolted up to the front of the core support here, so you won't see that. And that's pretty much it. So I'm just using Bondo brand, Bondo glass. This is just like, Bondo with fiberglass fibers inside of it. I don't need much for this, so I'm just gonna take out a little bit. All right guys, so I put a little bit of Bondo on this thing last night, and I add a little bit more and show you what I'm doing. Okay, so good here. Maybe throw a little bit more right there, but got a couple spots right here. That looks all good. Well, throw a little bit more in there. A little bit more right there. Okay guys, so here is the core support, all cleaned up, sanded up, primed up, and painted up. So, check that out. Not too bad for building it in the yard, right? I still gotta sand it down. But not too bad. Just gotta sand it down, that's all. Alright, let me flip this over. Okay, so you can see the other side now. You can definitely see the Bondo where I gotta sand it down. But you won't be able to tell once I sand that down. The rest of it's nice and straight and clean and painted. I'm out here shivering. Jeez. Colder than a mofo. But that's the top. That's the inside. And yeah, I think it came out pretty good. What do you guys think? There you go. Not too bad. Let's see. Alright. It looks pretty good to me. I think it looks pretty good. Just sand that down and we'll be ready to put it on the truck. There we go. Alright, you guys, well, that does it for this video. It was a quick little video on redoing the core support for the F100. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop me a comment. Hit that little bell for the notifications. Let you know when I'm making new videos. We'll be building this F100, and then we're going to be flipping that F150. Just got that one in from Colorado, so if you guys are interested in buying that thing, I'm going to put a video up in a couple of days on that, so you can check it out. And that pretty much does it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you on the next one. Bye.